Alright, this is the dimensions. 20 feet by 10 feet, three of them stacked. So, what I got in mind would be... So my room right now is 13 feet long by 11 wide. So my room would be in, let's say, I think this corner. So here would be my shelf and my other shelf and my mini fridge tower thing, and then my chair. And then my desk would be like this. And then my bed. Let's see, this is 20 feet. So this is 11 wide, so it would end right here. My bed goes just past, no, just shy of that. Oh, okay. Okay. And then it's 13 feet. Which then leaves a bit 3 feet into that. Let's see, I could even put my desk. Wait a minute. There's also a printer here, like that. And then my vacuum's right here. Right here is a desk. Wait, would it be directly behind me? Yeah. A little offset to the right. Kind of lined up with here. And then the door. Okay. So that's pretty much my bedroom with the dotted lines. Okay, and then this was the door right here. Just get a single bunk bed. Why? Now, because my room's only... Whoa. It's 20 feet. This right here is 13 feet. So I'm going to have an extra 7 feet. Does that look like 13? No, it doesn't. If that's 10, 13 would be a third of the way into the next thing. This drawing represents my new workshop, but I'm going to build it as if my room were right here, and then this will just all be extra space. All this will be extra, well, this is my room. And I'm going to build it identical to my room so that I don't feel out of place and there won't be any transition or trauma. Since I've been in this room for 10 years, barely ever leaving the room. I want my new workshop to be the same in every way. I don't want to feel like I moved. I want to feel like I'm in my room still. Even though I'll be in a tent in the backyard. Okay, so we got, that's on the right third. About like that. Oh, you have that stuff? Cool. Yeah, it definitely looks nice. But this is the design for my workshop. It's gonna be a big workshop for building robotics and working on cars and everything. Okay, so we got 10 plus 7, 17 feet. Whoa, wait a minute. My room's only 11 feet wide, 13 feet long. So I had it right before. Okay. Yeah, like Chinese people. I'm Chinese. Alright, and then a car. $20. How wide is it? .8 feet wide. I drew it to scale almost perfectly. Alright, so my drawing is the width of a two-car garage, but a little bit longer than a two-car garage. This is a car. I guess I could make it look a little more like a car. So I'll be able to work on cars in here. Alright. I bought two walls for 20 by 10. So one would be like that, that. So I'm going to have 20 feet left over because I don't need a wall here because that's on the interior of the structure. The structure only needs walls around that perimeter. So we're going to have a 20-foot wall section we can put here. So then we've got this wall done, this wall done, this wall done, and this wall done. I bought a second structure which is 20, 20, 10, 10. So it will fit this one and this one. So that just leaves these two. And we've got two 20s left over. Half that 20 will fill that. The other half of that 20 will fill that. We'll have a whole 20-foot section left over, which can be used for repairs to the walls or whatever, patches. So yeah, we got enough sidewall. Wow. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I wasn't reading chat for the moment. I had to mark in my records a purchase I made of a portable garage canopy shelter tent shed. I bought two of them, 20 by 10, to give me a total of 40 by 40. The idea is to build a tent times 2 or 3 that will be my workshop, and then remove the inner walls so it's just one giant tent, even though it's 3 tents stacked. And then once I have the tent, I have privacy, and then once I have the privacy and I get it all inspected by the town and they approve, now I can do whatever I want inside there. And that's going to include building up walls, soundproofing, insulation, air conditioning, electric, a garage door, lighting systems, ventilation systems, heating systems, Wi-Fi and internet connectivity systems, and then moving, and building up a floor, and then moving my whole bedroom into there, or my whole workshop will be moved into there. My room is not a mess. My room's completely clean.